Welcome to Vibration Mentor. My name is Sana and I'm one of the Vibration Mentors here. We are delighted to have you here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. At Vibration Mentor, we believe that every individual has the potential to elevate their thoughts, energy, and consciousness to align with their highest potential. Our mission is to guide you on this transformative journey, helping you to manifest a life filled with joy, love, and abundance. We offer a variety of services such as one-on-one mentoring. We also offer workshops, guided meditations, and weekend retreats. And also we have many free resources such as our free ebook and companion workbook that explain the 4 main types of manifestation so you can better understand conscious light manifestation, which is really what we emphasize and use in our mentoring. And we also have many free meditations, posts, our newsletters available, and then we have a daily energy empowering post. These daily empowerments are what we do to basically give the world a free gift of energy upgrades. So every day there will be a social media post that discusses what energy was cleared for all beings that want this energy, and then what energy was brought in to replace it to do an upgrade for the world. Discusses what energy was cleared for all beings that want this energy, and then what energy was brought in to replace it to do an upgrade for the world. And so these are all free and available to you. Check the links below, check our site so you can sign up and access them for free. Our vision is to create a global community of empowered individuals who are truly on a joyous journey, radiating through life and contributing to a higher collective consciousness. We're committed to helping you clear negative energies, elevate your vibration, and giving you the tools to achieve your dreams. We're a team of passionate healers and mentors dedicated to supporting you every step of the way. Our approach is holistic, combining ancient wisdom with modern techniques to provide you with the tools and guidance you need to thrive. Together, we can create a world where everyone feels empowered, connected, and aligned with their true selves. Join us on this journey of transformation and elevate your vibration to manifest the life you desire through conscious light manifestation. Thank you for being part of the Vibration Mentor community. Welcome. We're happy to have you here. Please feel free to go to vibrationmentor.com for more information and resources. Remember, the power to transform your life lies within you now. May you have an incredible journey full of freedom, growth, and joy.